phonics for every child today. Jolly phonics, the easy way to reach. Jolly phonics, a sure good way to teach. Jolly phonics, a fun-filled way to learn. Jolly phonics for every child today.
Hello Jolly children. Hello Inky. Welcome back to another edition of our Jolly Phonics video learning session. Before we begin our lesson for today, I would like us to revise a previously learned sound and maybe even blend some words. Are you excited? I know I am. Okay, Jolly children, what sound is this? I. Let's do it together. I. Jolly children, how about we blend the sounds in this word and read the word? Are you ready? Let's go. What sound is this? T. And this sound? I. Let's try blending them together. T. I. Tie. 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 That was good. Okay, Jolly children, I have a story to tell you today. Jolly children, have you ever seen a donkey? A donkey is a farm animal and it is so noisy. It makes noise all day saying ee-aw, ee-aw, ee-aw. Can you pretend you are a donkey? Put your hands on your head like this and say ee-aw, ee-aw, ee-aw. Jolly children, this is the sound E. And this is the sound O. Can you say E-aw, E-aw? Okay, Jolly children, let's try writing E-aw on the blackboard. I'm going to show you, and then we're going to use our magic pencil to write the sound E-aw in the air. Are you ready? Okay, Jolly children, to write the sounds E-aw, you start at a point, make a dash outward, go over the bridge, come down, round, start at a point again, take a dash outward, go over the bridge, come down, round, and stop. Then to write the sound O, you start at a point, go round, and stop. Start at a point again, go down, come up on the same line, and give it a robot arm. Isn't that easy? Okay, Jolly children, let us all put up our magic pencil. I'm going to show you and then you follow. To write the sounds E-aw, you start at a point, make a dash outward, go over the bridge, come down, round, and stop. Start at a point again, make a dash outward, go over the bridge, come down, round, and stop. To write the O sound, you start at a point, you go round and stop. Start at a point again, go down, come up on the same line with a robot arm. Can we try writing those sounds together? Let's go. To write the sound E, start at a point, make a dash outward, go over the bridge, come down, round, and stop. Start at a point again, make a dash outward, go over the bridge, come down, round, and stop. To write the O sound, start at a point, go round, and stop. Start at a point again, come down, go up on the same line, and a robot arm. Jolly children, let's try writing the E-aw sounds in our Jolly Phonics Pupils Book 1. Here is my pencil. To write the E sound, Start at a point, take a dash outward, go over the bridge, round, and stop. Start at a point again, take a dash outward, go over the bridge, round, and stop. Let's try doing one independently without the dotted lines. Start at a point, make a dash outward, go over the bridge, round, and stop. Start at a point again, make a dash outward, go over the bridge, round, and stop. To write the OR sound, start at a point, go round, and stop. Start at a point again, go down, up on the same line with a robot arm. Let's try writing one without the dotted lines. Let's go. Start at a point, go round, and stop. Start at a point again, come down, up on the same line, and give it a robot arm. Wasn't that easy? Okay, jolly children. We're going to sound out some sounds and read words that have E and OR in them. Let's go. This is our first word. Can you see it? Okay, children. I'm going to put my pencil on the sound button. When I do, please call out the sound with me. Jolly children, what sound is this? S. E. Very good. Shall we try again? S. E. How about a little faster? C. C. Now let's blend the words together. Sing. Once again, sing. Fantastic. Okay, jolly children, here is another word to blend that has the E sound in it. Are you ready? Let's go. Jolly children, what sound is this? Tss. How about this sound? R. And this sound? E. Shall we try blending the sounds and read the word? Tr. E. Tr. E. Tr. E. Tree. Again, tree. A little faster now. Tree. Jolly children, let us try blending a word that has the OR sound in it. Are you ready? Let's go. Jolly children, what sound is this? K. OR. Again. K. OR. That was very good. Now let's try blending it faster to read the word. Corn. Again, corn. A little faster now. Corn. All together now. Corn. Again, corn. Okay, jolly children, let us move on to our sounding section. For each sound, I'm going to show you 3 pictures. The first picture here is a B. Can you say B? B. Can you hear the sound E when you say B? Yes. Is it at the beginning, at the middle, or at the end? At the end. That was very good. This is a picture of a crab. Can you say crab? Crab. Can you hear the sound E when you say crab? No. So what do? We cross it out. Finally, we have a picture of a sheep. Can you say sheep? Sheep. Can you hear the sound E when we say sheep? Yes, we can. Is it at the beginning, at the middle, or at the end? At the middle, correct. Now we come to the or sound. I'm also going to show you 3 pictures. Here we have the picture of a goat. Can you say goat? Goat. Can you hear or when you say goat? No. So what do? We cross it out. Here we go. This is a picture of a fork. Can you say fork? Fork. Can you hear the sound or when we say fork? Great, we can. This is a picture of a horse. Can you say horse? Horse. Very good. Can you hear the sound or when I say horse? Yes, we can. Is it at the beginning, at the middle, or at the end of the word? At the middle. That was great. Okay, jolly children. I'm going to call out a word, and I want us to count how many sounds we can hear in the word. Are you ready? Let's go. Fort. Fort. Let's count how many sounds we can hear in the word fort. Or. Fort. We can hear 3 sounds. Our next word is feet. Feet. How many sounds can you hear in the word feet? Let's count. E, t, feet. How many sounds is that? 3 sounds. That was very good. Okay, jolly children, we have come to the end of our E or sound lesson. I hope you have learned something new. We are now going to listen to our jolly song, but I'll leave you here and say, bye-bye, E or, bye.
See the donkey in its stall, E-O, is its call.
Jolly phonics for every child today. Jolly phonics, the easy way to reach. Jolly phonics, a short good way to teach. Jolly phonics, a fun-filled way to learn. Jolly phonics for every child today. Jolly phonics for me and you.
S for sun, A for ants, T for tennis, E for ink, P for pat, N for nip. Jolly phonics for me and you. K for cat, E for egg, H for hen, R for rat, for men, D for that. Jolly phonics for me and you. G